Hey there, this needs Beatfoot, and today we're making a sickle from leather. This is an experimental build, so we start by cutting a few straps and gluing them together. The idea here was to use a wooden frame to glue the straps along. Layer by layer, this way we create a leather core for the weapon. Sadly, the core was quite wobbly, so I reduced the size for a more stable weapon. I harden everything in hot water and then bring it into the smaller round shape. With a small drill, I drill holes all the way through for sewing, and do exactly that. This is supposed to be a Larp weapon, so we go for some soft foam all along the core. I use a knife to cut everything roughly in shape and use a belt sander to do the rest. To cover the foam, I use soft and very stretchy leather. For the back of the blade, I use wedge tanned leather, moisten it, and add a few decorations. I chose a black base color and go over it with some gray, shiny pigments. Next, I glue on this very piece, but only on the very back of the blade, because for the rest we have to stretch it first. To stretch them, we have to heavily moisten them first, and then slowly and carefully work them into the position. Next, we drill holes through the piece, but not completely through. They should not penetrate the leather on the other side, and then we sew it. For the handle, I made 2 of these guards. We just slide them on and sew them. Some foam for the handle, glue it on, and then bring it into shape. And to cover it up, again, we use leather. And then the second guard at the end of the handle, and we sew it in as well. And this is it. A sickle from leather for Larp combat. I hope you enjoyed this video and this experimental build, and be sure to check also out my other videos. Have a great day!